Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve mobile apps with Firebase, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a Firebase account. Visit the Firebase website and click on the Go to Console button. Create a new project by selecting Add. Once your project is created, you'll be directed to the project overview page. Click on the Add App button and select the appropriate platform for your mobile app. For Android, you'll need the package name of your app. Download the generated Google Services.json file. Place this file in the root directory of your Android app. For iOS apps, download the Google Service Info.plist file instead. Add this file to your Xcode project, specifically in the root directory. Next, integrate the Firebase SDK into your app. For Android, modify the project-level build.gradle file to include the Google Services class path. In your app-level build.gradle file, apply the Google Services plugin. Add the necessary Firebase dependencies according to your app's needs. Sync your project to ensure all changes take effect. Now, initialize Firebase in your app. For Android, open your main activity file and call Firebase app.initializeApp, this, in the onCreate method. For iOS, you'll initialize Firebase in your app delegate.swift. Next, implement the features you want to improve in your app using Firebase. You can use Firebase authentication to manage user logs and accounts. To add real-time data capabilities, utilize Firebase Firestore or real-time database. Incorporate Firebase cloud messaging for push notifications. Use Firebase Analytics to track user interactions and app performance. Test the new features on both Android and iOS devices. Monitor your Firebase console for real-time data and user engagement metrics. Continue refining the app by analyzing feedback and performance reports from Firebase. Iterate upon the existing features to enhance user experience continuously. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.